today I've got some wicked news. Let's turn the heat down. I found a floor pan for my truck. So right now, we're gonna go get Boro Sawzall, and I'm gonna take you guys to the wreckers with me. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see what I'm dealing with, because we got some unexpected weather last night. I don't like this stuff. I'm getting sick of it, but we got some snow. And we're supposed to get more snow today, tonight, and tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is turn you around, do a quick we got snow, as you can see. Right now I'm gonna go get the Sawzall. They didn't want to be filmed in there, guys, so what I did, I got the Sawzall and I got some blades, so let's go cut it. Thanks to the guys up at Rental Centers here in Belleville. Pretty cool, decent guys, so let's go get frickin' that floor. So right now, guys, as you can see, we're at the wreckers where that floor pan is for my truck. So it's snowing here. I freaking hate the snow, and I'll pick up the camera once I get back to the truck, because I don't need to be dropping it in the snow. So be right back, guys. So what I've got to do, guys, is take the seat out, which is 2 bolts, don't mind the trash. 2 bolts, one here and one here. There's 2 bolts over there. And then there's 3 or 4 up front here. We gotta take the seat out. And then I will pick up the camera once I'm done with that. Well, guys, there we go. I cut it out of this truck. The floor's mint. Too bad I couldn't take the whole thing, but that's a piece I need right there. And having to find that is a hell of a problem to find that, because this usually rots right there. So I'm gonna treat it so she don't rot on me. But so I didn't film cutting it. I was having issues with it. So as you can see, guys, it's snowing out. So I will pick this up when I get back in the car. Well, guys, I didn't record much in there because 1, it's snowing, and 2, I don't need my camera getting wet. So when I do the floors, I will, because I'm not going to do the floor right away, I just needed to get the pan so I can have it and prep it so it doesn't rot on me. But what I've got to do right now is go take the Sawzall back. I only had it for about 45 minutes, so maybe they can give me a refund or something. Go to my house and maybe prep this for paint. It saves me from spending $40, $50 on frickin' an actual chunk of 16 gauge, I believe, 18 gauge. But let me know what you guys think of these little vlog slash everyday type deal, because if you like them, sure, I'll keep doing them. So what I've got is gonna need a lot of prep and weld and prep and weld, but trying to find that section of floor, impossible. They don't make a factory insert for that, which is screwed up, because you think they would, since they've got near the tunnel, but they don't have near the frame rail or the rocker. Whatever. It is what it is. People are looking at me, I'm talking to you, and I don't care. Oh, excuse me. So there's gonna be quite a few days in this video because I'm gonna get the metal prepped for paint, and then I don't know if I'm gonna weld it in or have my buddy weld it in. Well, as you can see, I'm back in the shop. Now I'm gonna end this one here. I know as the next video, I'm gonna prep the metal and get it all ready to install in the truck. Now I'm gonna end this one here because it's a long day. I want to spend some time with my family. If you like this, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one, guys. And I hope you enjoy this. Later, guys.